Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how can you stop others from adding you to WhatsApp group on iPhone. So let's get started with opening WhatsApp. Now you have to tap on the settings located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here on the settings menu, tap on privacy. Now here you will find option of groups. Tap on it. Now the everyone is selected. It means everyone or anyone can add me to any group on the WhatsApp, but I can select it to my contact. Now only my contacts can add me to the groups. You can choose specific contacts to exclude from adding you to group. This is a more customized option. You can select third option to do this. And now select your preferences. Depending on your preference, choose my contact or my contacts accept. Now save the changes and go back and close the WhatsApp. Now only the selected group of peoples or your contacts can add you to WhatsApp group. Other will need to send you a private invitation to join a group, and you can choose to accept or decline these invitations. So this is how you can stop others from adding you to group. Thank you everyone.